Live on Facebook, yeah.
Yeah. Hi Piyush. Hi Priyanka.
Hi.
Hi, Nidhi.
Hi.
Friends, we have Piyush and Priyanka as our young change makers. Before we start, I give the, not the literal mic, but a forum to talk to Piyush and Priyanka, I just want to give a brief introduction about both of them. Uh, Piyush is an elder brother of Puneet, who has autism and intellectual disability. Piyush has recently completed his MTech in mechanical engineering from NIT Raulkela and shifted his attention to disability sector. Currently, he is working on projects related to sex education and health disparities concerning individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. His major interest area is residential future planning for autistic adults. So that's about Piyush. And about Priyanka. Priyanka is a banker by profession. Her interests lie in art and writing. She's an elder sister of an 18-year-old Divyanka, who is an autistic teen and is currently engaged in educational activities like making fabric jewelry and home decor products. And she's also pursuing her higher education at NIOS. Welcome to Nairisha's Facebook Live, guys. We are really
Thank you.
happy to have you and have you
Thanks.
on this platform and speak about your work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so before we start and talk about your work, I just want to understand how you guys handling this COVID situation.
Priyank.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to speak. So,
Okay.
I think so. COVID, because of the lockdown, has been specifically difficult to handle with a sibling who has who are always in a set routine. Like they'll have to go to school, then come back, then they'll have therapy sessions. So they have always been in that routine, but the lockdown put a break on that. So it was tough time coping up and explaining to them what is this lockdown about and how to work around things. But now it's fun. I get to spend a lot of time with her. She's very happy. She doesn't have to wait for me until late night because Mumbai, traveling
I
knows.
know.
So she's very happy to see me all day long sitting at home just with her. So yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's worked good.
That was my next question. How are they coping up? Are they getting to spend time with you or not? What about?
Definitely.
Are you getting
Yeah,
time
like,
to?
yeah, I'm getting time, but as such, like, Puneet itna bhav nahi deta mujhe. So, like, he is in his own world. He doesn't care much when, means I'm there or not, itna farak nahi padta. So yeah, but since the school is closed, so it is getting difficult. Like it will be closed for the coming months also. Like we also have fear that we will be not sending him in the school. So
Yes.
yeah, like schedule is very different as of now, and yeah, that leads to aggression sometimes. So yeah, it's difficult.
Yeah. So now they have a routine. Were you able to set a routine for your siblings?
Yeah, I mean
So
he sleeps a lot. So like
That's not a routine.
so that is a routine. He fortunately sleeps a lot. Then there is TV, and in the evening he does some art and craft work. Like mummy teaches him, and like that is the routine.
I think work from home has not allowed me to put a routine. So right now it's like in between meetings, if I get time, I spend that time with Divyanka. So we'll quickly do some painting. We'll quickly play potato race in the hall in our
Oh
house.
wow. What is potato
So
race?
as in like I think बचपन में खेलते थे ना वो एक एक जगह पे they'll keep some balls and then you have to pick it up, go put
Pick
it
it
in that
up and yeah,
basket
yeah,
and come
yeah.
back. So I'm multitasking now.
We all are.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you know that our founder, Prachi Deo, is also a sibling herself,
Yeah.
right? So this cause is really
Yes.
to our heart, and we know how important your work is. And we know that because you guys have been helping us reach out to more parents. But for the audience watching the FP Live today, let's start with the basics. Okay, so I just want to understand what is Sarthi or define Sarthi, and how did you guys start this journey?
Sure. So, I think to everyone in this audience and both parents and siblings, they all will understand that sibling एक sibling कितना important होता है, especially able child के daily life में या ecosystem में. And we understand that a sibling is someone who's even more than a sarthi to that specially abled individual. So with that thought, with that thinking, we came up with a community, a platform for all siblings of specially abled individuals, be it whoever is diagnosed with intellectual disabilities like autism or other disabilities. तो इसके वजह से what we are experiencing is इस community में we are able to actually share our journeys with other siblings. Like till now, my journey with Divyanka, like or Piyush's journey with his brother. So like that of different siblings, we are able to come across. Same way, we are able to share our concerns. Till date, I couldn't share it with my friends, usual friends who I come across in work or school. But this community is giving me a chance to do that. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो एबल टू मतलब बैठ के मैं ऐसे ही डिस्कस कर सकती हूँ कि अच्छा हाउ टू प्लान माई दिव्यांका's फ्यूचर, मैं उसके लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ. प्रॉब्ली आई वुड हैव नॉट बीन दैट मैच्योर टिल डेट बिकॉज इवन आई हैव बीन ग्रोइंग अप विथ हर. तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा कि अरे मेरे पेरेंट्स के बाद मैं दिव्या के लिए क्या करूंगी या व्हाट विल पीयूष डू फॉर हिज ब्रदर, समथिंग ऑन दोज लाइंस. तो हम ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करके भी कम अप विथ आइडियाज. So it's very motivating to see other people also come up with all these ideas. So in a way we are basically each other's support system, बोल सकते हैं. Sarthi is like a support system for all the siblings. So yeah.
And basically it also gives you a feeling that you're not alone in this.
Yeah,
Exactly.
definitely.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
we have people with a similar journey across.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So what do you think why do you think there is a need for such a group apart from being there for each other? Why do you think there's a need for such a group, and how does it help in other ways?
So like siblings are the ones who spend the longest amount of time right from the childhood. मतलब हम बचपन से ही साथ में रहते हैं, and we have seen many like ups and downs and many things. So there should be a place where siblings can basically just talk to other siblings, like just you said ki we are not alone, something like that. And seek help in because there will we have to look after our disabled sister or brother, and potentially maybe some of us will become guardians, and we also have to look after our career and our family and also aging parents. So like it's a triple sandwich situation for us. And for that a support system like Sarthi will help in the long run. So this was the like need. Again, like it's not that sibling ka sirf struggles hi hota hai. No, we have lot of positive experiences.
Yeah.
And we are sharing both the positive and the negative both. So that's the purpose.
I think that's important also, na Piyush, because अगर हम सिर्फ negative बोलेंगे तो nobody would want to join, right? Because
Exactly.
it's the same old you know ruckus, and I don't want to get into it. I want some activity. I want some motivation to go forward or to move forward.
Right.
Yeah, correct.
So do you share stories across how do you share positive stories?
So I think so. We currently have this thread called Tales of Sarthi. So where every week, हमारे मतलब Insta या Facebook page पे, we come up with the journey of each sibling with their specially able brother or sister. It can be anything. It can be some memory from their childhood. It can be the most happy moment with them. Why are they so proud? Anything, any embarrassing moment also. But reading those posts will encourage you so much every week. Like more and more stories you read, you will feel that you're not alone and you should actually be getting up and doing more for your sibling. It's more encouraged.
Okay. So
also the response has been very great to Tales of Sarthi. We never expected that response will be so much great, and people are really like liking it because this was a very unheard of. Like what is the sibling experience? because
Yeah,
generally there are many parent organizations and parent groups, but sibling were not in the limelight. So
right.
this was very new for this is very new. So yeah, like it has actually touched a lot of people. So that we were not expecting this much, but we are glad.
Yeah, you should share that channel with us as well. We'll spread the word.
Sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Siblings should also write in.
Yeah,
Right. So this is
sure.
one of the activities you guys conduct. Uh, Apart from this, any other activities that you guys can, how can how do you support the neurotypical sibling? We've talked about the support for what's in for my brother or sister in future, but what about me? Do you talk about me as well,
Right.
the neurotypical sibling?
Right. So initially when we started our journey in Sarthi, तो हमें लगा कि पहले society को educate करना चाहिए, like
Ah,
people like us, like to how to handle
right.
individuals with intellectual disabilities or other disabilities. कैसे react करना चाहिए कोई भी situation में, आप उनको घर बुलाते हो तो कैसे react करना चाहिए, like it's different scenarios.
Hmm.
That was a short series called Minclusion. This was initially when we started out our journey at Sarthi. फिर उसके बाद we started this Tales of Sarthi. Every week we started sharing stories because we, as Piyush said, we want to show the positive part of this journey also.
Yes.
Uh, and then we slowly progressed to Insta and Zoom live sessions, जहाँ पे we got in our siblings from the community, and we started discussing about all the pain points, our concerns, things where we don't know what to do. There's no one to guide us because our friends are not in a similar situation.
Yeah.
So it can be about how to manage work and your sibling, how to
Right.
what about marriage? Because all of us are adults and we're all in that phase where we're looking at our future. So we
Right.
don't know, right? We have a sibling also who we really care for.
Hmm.
So it can also be about residential planning. So different topics we discuss, and it's wonderful to see the kind of solutions that come up.
So would
Because
you like to share some solutions?
yeah,
Perhaps.
so for example, so one of our siblings, Shreya, so she was sharing with us that how to explain coronavirus to
Yeah.
your sibling. What can you do? So she was talking about methods like, what if you put up a calendar and show him or her that on Monday you will do this, Tuesday you will do this, and prepare a kit for him and say that this is the mask, this is your ID card, इसके बिना आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो, and
Right.
ये ऐसा routine है, आप ये करोगे तो as a treat I will give you, say, some time of TV, some time of music, so probably ideas, probably, if this community was not there, like if I didn't have the support, I would have probably got scared कि अरे my
Yeah.
sister's reacting like this to a lockdown, my brother's
Right.
reacting like this, kit for him and say that this is the mask, this is your ID card, इसके बिना आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो, and
Right.
ये ऐसा routine है, आप ये करोगे तो as a treat I will give you, say, some time of TV, some time of music, so probably ideas, probably, if this community was not there, like if I didn't have the support, I would have probably got scared कि अरे my
Yeah.
sister's reacting like this to a lockdown, my brother's
Right.
reacting like this, they're getting cranky, what do I do? So
Mm.
if I discuss with siblings, it brings out some hope, and I feel much better that okay, fine, there is some solution, इसका कुछ
Yeah.
हो सकता है type. So that way it's very very nice session. And then we started taking small steps towards mental health for
Yeah.
siblings. Because ऐसे बहुत सारे incidents हैं हमारे life में, like in this journey, where we have felt stressed, we have felt embarrassed. Uh, Also sometimes we feel that we are unattended, मतलब हमारे parents शायद हमें attention नहीं दे रहे, मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारी situations हैं
Mm.
जो easily they don't open up, so we
Mm.
came to blurt it out, जहाँ पे they come and they discuss all those issues where they have felt emotionally very heavy. थोड़ा मन हल्का करने के लिए तो they come and they like discuss, and
Mm.
that has also been a very nice session. People have really appreciated the way our siblings have been brave enough to come and discuss their emotions in open in public.
Yeah.
It's good. So most of our activities have been like this, and they've all been online activities.
Okay. So when you talked about mental health, it is the health of the neurotypical sibling or
Neurotypical. Yeah, neurotypical.
okay.
Neurotypical, yeah, about
Okay.
us, yeah.
Okay. And do you get an expert to talk about it, or you have a general discussion?
No, so that is part of our future events for
Hmm.
mental health for the neurotypical sibling. But initially, we thought that why not we get our siblings itself to start talking up about the issues they face first. Kind of open up and share their problems with the community. And we
Okay.
would slowly then progress to also inviting experts to conduct a session.
Okay. Okay.
And
Uh, and-
particularly this segment, sorry,
yes,
and
go on. Go
particularly
on.
this segment has strengthened the bond between siblings.
Yeah.
As in like we were initially fearful whether we should like go with this or not, but it turned out to be very good. Like because the siblings are opening up,
Yeah.
and it's very relatable. Like many things are there which are very relatable,
Hmm.
and if a sibling externally also sees that, and he or she can connect to that, like okay, like they are also facing some challenges, and it's fine to face them. So
Right.
yeah,
Right. That's actually a good way to bond.
yeah.
Definitely.
So where is Sarthi based?
Sarthi is वैसे तो it's an online community as of now because we
Okay.
started in Corona pandemic period. but uh, but definitely as we get more and more registrations, it will be online managed only. But we are planning for some like offline events also in future.
Yeah.
City wise events we are planning
Yeah.
as we
Physical
get.
meets. I know
Yeah,
it's not going to happen anytime soon
Yeah.
yeah,
in 2020, but
yeah,
probably in 21, it'll be good to meet in person.
Yeah, but
yeah,
but
definitely.
luckily, just before the lockdown,
Hmm.
we ended up meeting once in
Oh, that's so nice,
Mumbai.
actually.
Yeah, so we had a small city meetup in Mumbai. So that was just before the lockdown. But
Okay.
it was so nice to just see people who have gone through similar journeys with you. And you can just sit and chat with them without feeling embarrassed or, without you having to hide anything from them. That
Yeah.
experience was very nice. It was beautiful. So yeah, we are
Okay.
lucky to have one such meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
I
yeah.
know. Okay. So Priyanka, I heard you talk about being embarrassed twice now,
Oh, okay.
right? So I want to understand that. Are you guys doing something about inclusion as well? Because uh, I'm sure this is something which you felt. That is why it's come up in the conversation twice. So you're doing something about it? Are you doing anything to aware other you know
No,
this?
so it's getting covered through either our SIP stock,
Okay.
wherein you can come up and discuss. Like most of our siblings are now adolescents, so there might be certain behaviors, there might be certain actions which, when you go out in the public, you might not expect them to do. तो अगर कोई सामने से देखेगा तो भी they might feel like, okay, what is she doing or what is he doing?
Hmm.
So I have heard such stories from a lot of our friends. So in our SIPS talk or in our online, so that is through Tales, we help siblings share these incidents and kind of get over or get solutions to these kind of issues which they face. So yeah, and in a way, Alex, Piyush said it also helps siblings open up, because when you start sharing such incidents and such stories, then you feel कि ठीक है, मतलब सब कुछ, मतलब it's okay, it's normal, हमारे जैसे ही बाकी siblings भी they're facing it, तो कोई
Hmm.
बात नहीं, कोई मतलब कोई ना कोई solution तो है ही, हम संभाल लेंगे इस चीज को. So that
Yeah.
kind of attitude starts coming.
So you build up your own small community.
Correct. Yeah.
So because most of our audience here today would be parents. So do you think what kind of support do you need from our parent community? For Sarthi.
So
So like if somebody sorry,
yeah,
if
yeah, please
somebody will
continue.
be, if somebody definitely there will be many siblings,
Hmm.
and we just want to reach out those siblings through Nai Disha parent group. and we'll be linking our Facebook and Instagram pages.
Okay.
And if they will be interested in joining, we'll be very happy. Like we are looking forward to invite as many siblings as possible. And yeah, like that's the way like Naidisha can help us in reaching out to more families.
Okay. So, someone's asking, is Sarthi and Naidisha connected in any ways? Would you want to answer to that? I want to say
Like,
yes, we are definitely connected because Piyush on and off helps us a lot in
yeah,
in the outreach.
yeah. So yeah, like we are working with every NGO, and definitely Naidisha is our like the most closest collaborator, which we can say. So yeah, we can say yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do we have any other question, or I can proceed? Okay. Do you have young teens joining the community? Is the other
As of
question which we have.
as of now, we don't have young teens. We are mostly like from 18 to 40 age group is there, like as of now. But we are inviting young teens also. Like we have started from the age group of 10, like 10 to 20, 10 to 15 will be a group, and 15 to 40 will be a group, something like that. So we'll be doing separate activities for the young siblings also. So yeah, teens are invited. Like as of now, abhi nahi hai, but they are invited.
Yeah, I think uh, that's important because that's an age which is very impressionable. Right?
Yeah,
Right.
That's where the
right.
embarrassment and what people's going to say, should I take him, her out or not, that all
Yeah.
builds up in your head. So
Yeah.
if it
Correct.
starts from the beginning, I think it's going to help uh,
Yes.
the siblings.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So how can a neurotypical sibling join the network?
So, just as Piyush said, that we would love it if parents can convince their neurotypical like, child to
Hmm.
join our network. So,
Hmm.
we've created this registration form,
Okay.
primarily, which again, so through this registration form, now we are going to target, like what Piyush said, 10 to 15, and then
Hmm.
15 onwards. So, we will capture these details about them, about their sibling.
Hmm.
Once this is done, they can easily connect with us on any of our social media channels. So, since this community was primarily started off online, we are present across all channels. So, be it Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. It's very
Hmm.
easy to connect with us, and this is how they can get in touch with the community.
Okay. So probably in the end, we'll just put your links
Put the
in our,
links. Yeah,
yeah, in our
yeah,
comment section, and
yeah.
people can pick it up from there.
Right.
Piyush, you mentioned that apart from Naidisha, there are other NGOs who are connected with you. I want to know the other organizations you're collaborating with.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. So like we have recently collaborated with Samarthya Foundation by Dr. Shivani Pandit,
Right.
and then we are doing a project we are already doing. It's basically sibling interviews,
Okay.
similar to our Tales. It's a project on their platform because they have a project known as Voices,
Hmm.
wherein they share the stories of the disabled individuals, their parents, and their siblings, like the whole family, the whole thing. So we
Hmm.
are doing that. Second, we are looking forward to work with them in making inclusive books. Like they have
Okay.
already made inclusive books. It is known as Naini inclusive books. So the
Okay.
idea of inclusive books is to therein in the book the central character will have some kind of disability. Like
Hmm.
currently they have made 4 or 5 books on dyslexia, on autism, something like that. So it is for the children from the for the age group of 5 to 10, because
Right.
what Dr. Shivani said that it is very easy to mold their imagination and their brains at such an young age. तो अगर
Yes.
पहले से ही उनको अगर पता चलेगा कि ठीक है ये हमसे ऐसे डिफरेंट लोग हैं,
Hmm.
and so there will be a sense of inclusion in their mind from the
Hmm.
beginning. So
Hmm.
इसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम लोग ये जो पर्टिकुलर इंक्लूसिव बुक्स है इसमें हम सिबलिंग स्टोरीज लाने वाले हैं. So this will be a new thing. And next we are looking forward to work with Alap Trust by by Miss Nina Wag. So it will be basically, she is making a helpline number, a central helpline number for caregiver community. So for example, somebody has some future planning concern, so like this is the contact, or somebody has some other concerns, so this is the contact. So for sibling for sibling issues, she wants us to like lead this, like if a sibling has any issue, तो वो हमको contact कर सकते हैं. So
Okay.
this will be the next project. So these two are these two organized. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. And where do you see Sarthi in future? That's the last question which I can think of as of now.
Yeah. So there like we are very eager to conduct workshops, full-fledged workshops, one-day workshops in future, wherein like if somebody is at the guardianship, if somebody wants to be a guardian and is at that stage, so उसके details हो गए, या फिर other details हो गए, UDID हो गए, या फिर there are marriage concerns और genetic counseling concerns, ऐसे ऐसे जो topics हो गए, तो ये adults के लिए, मतलब ये जो भी ज्ञान वाली चीजें हैं, ये adults के लिए रखना है. And for the younger siblings, we are planning for outings, we are planning for fun events. So these are the things we are planning. And also like there is another thing in line, that is research on siblings or sibling studies. Like since I'm from like research background, like I will be going to disability studies. So basically जो special education departments है, or psychology departments are there, or education departments are there. So there are many topics wherein they work on siblings. For example, in autism, there is a topic known as broader autism phenotype. Like some autistic siblings might have some traits of autism. So this is a very biological topic. Then another topic can be, what are the future planning perception of siblings? What do they think? And what are the barriers and how to support them? So these are all the topics in which we would like to collaborate with the research organizations across India and even abroad. If somebody is interested to work on India, we are open.
Okay. And you talked about Dr. Shivani Pandit's project, where she's making these books which talks about that there is a kid who has some kind of a disability. That can be also added on. I feel that's my take, that can be added to that 10 to 15 ka bracket, where the neurotypical siblings can go out and talk to their friends and share these stories with their friends. So
actually that is the idea. So in fact, she wants neurotypical kids to like, suppose in a birthday party, she gave us an example that once a neurotypical kid wanted to gift these books as their birthday party gift, which is
that's an amazing thought.
Exactly, right? So that's exactly what you said, like a neurotypical child further, spreading this to another. So I think slowly, if this progresses in that direction, it would be wonderful.
I hope so too. So on this note, we would like to, wish you good luck in the future, and we're here to support you in any which way you want us to. We know that our parent community is also looking for sibling support, and we look forward to doing more activities together for our families, which comprise of parents as well as siblings. It was wonderful interacting with you guys, and I'm sure our community finds this interaction helpful. Thank you once again for your time for us, and just giving little information to our parents as well as siblings. And
thank you.
And just for our audience, thank you. Just for our audience, Piyush will share the links with us. We'll put it in the comment section. So whoever would be interested, please join the link, and you would be connected to Priyanka and Piyush automatically.
And before leaving, one thing, sorry to interrupt. That link is specifically for siblings only. So we expect only siblings to like fill that details. So
yes, so please share it with siblings only.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to thank the audience who joined in, and hope you found this interaction motivating and helpful. Just to reiterate, we at Naidisha Resource Center conduct these webinars and FB Live sessions with experts and young achievers like Priyanka and Piyush on a regular basis to spread awareness and support, and support for the parent community and caregiver community. So you can register with us so that you know what's coming up next. That's all from our side as of now. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, Piyush.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Stay safe. Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, same.